Morning, morning, morning. Three things today on a Good News Tuesday from Good News Tétrault. First off, let's get started with markets hitting all-time highs. If we take a look at the S&P TSX, it's up to over 19,000, first time ever. Dow Jones touched on 33.5, first time ever. The S&P 500 above 4,000, first time ever. NASDAQ is at or near an all-time high. So it's been a really, really good run here in the markets. Why? Three reasons, I think. One is definitely really good job numbers came out last week. So you don't often get job numbers like we got last week. The market loves that. It looks like the economy is reopening up, etc. Manufacturing numbers are big as well. This is macroeconomic data that shows that businesses are starting to spend, manufacture, etc. Three, the stimulus. Stimulus is trillions and trillions of dollars of liquidity that's going to be infused in the market. What are people going to do with that? Studies have shown that individuals are looking more and more to buy stocks with that money. Therefore, it's propelling the markets. And we haven't even seen the numbers yet being reflected in the macro data. So a lot of stimulus, record number of stimulus, record number of liquidity. You're not buying bonds, right? Bonds at 1.6 or 1.7% on the 10-year US Treasury. So where does that money go? Stocks. All right. A second question here. What are we looking at today? Air Canada, Air Transat deal fell apart. What does that mean for those stocks? Well, they're going in opposite directions. The deal was supposed to be a $190 million deal where Air Canada was buying Air Transat. Deal fell through due to European regulators stepping in and saying, no, we don't like it. As a result, Air Canada itself is up a little bit in pre-market trading. It's trading at 27.10. Air Transit stock fell about 15% yesterday. It's expected to be down again this morning. They're doing trips, right? They're doing more packages and tours. So yes, the economy is reopening up. Yes, people are traveling. But are we going to see more domestic traveling? Are we going to see more kind of trips to the Caribbean, et cetera? Who knows? I don't know, but clearly the market thinks that Air Canada is in a better spot than Air Transat. Third, let's take a look at other stocks that are making headlines today. First off, Snapchat. Snapchat, the story there is one of their analysts in the U.S. Covering the stock Atlantic Equities gave the stock an overweight recommendation. Valuation is a key factor, and also Snap's transformation from a messaging-centric platform to a broad content platform. Stock is up this morning in pre-market trading about 2.5%, 55.49. Other stock I'm watching is, where am I here? Credit Suisse. Yeah, Credit Suisse story there is they got caught up in that hedge fund short. They're taking a $5 billion hit from dealings with Archegos Capital Management. That's not good. The stock is down a little bit, but it also fell yesterday. Stocks at trading at 10.85. Another stock I do want to mention before I get to the recap is Tops. Tops is trading today for the first time ever as a publicly traded company. It's done through a SPAC. Those of you that have been following me know that I recently bought a boxed Tops 1979, 1980 unpackaged, I should say sealed, unopened box of Topps cards, looking to unbox a Wayne Gretzky rookie card, hopefully $1 million card in mint condition in that box, which is why it's an important story to me. And if you're following that story, great. Follow us live for more unboxing Gretzky. That is happening this quarter. It's happening in the next couple months. So be sure to follow us for that. All right, pre-market numbers. Let's take a look at Canadian dollars down to 25 basis points, 79.61. Dow futures down a little bit. Who cares? They were up a ton yesterday, 33,388. If we take a look at gold, gold was up this morning, up $8 to 17.36, and oil is up $1.14 to 59.79.